Hello students, I am M.K. Vijay, your SST teacher. Now we are going to discuss about the evergreen forest, that is also known as the tropical rainforest. As you know, such type of forest are present where heavy rainfall is being received. Under it, the deep forest grows in the areas of high temperature and high rainfall. As we have discussed before this video, a tree is easily grown if the area has high temperature and high humidity. Humidity is indication of rainfall, so high temperature and availability of water is essential condition for growing plant. Second, deep forests are found in areas with an annual rainfall of about 200 or more than 200. Just like in India, try to consider where or which area of India is receiving more than 200. Northeastern part, as well as the western side of Western Ghat, as well as the area of Kerala, means Malabar Hill, Nilgiri, Western Ghat and northeastern part are having tropical rainforest. These are found in the regions with warm and wet climates throughout the year. Generally, it is found near the equator. Near the equator means 10° north and 10° south. The total equatorial region has tropical rainforest, as its name tropical means equator. It has trees, shrubs and creepers, giving it a multi-layer structure. Here, 3 canopies are present. Just like the topest tree make one canopy. Second, the middle heights trees are making another canopy, and that shrubs are making another canopy. In spite of it, the creepers are making a trap between the trees, and due to it, it is considered a deep forest. ये 3 स्तर का छत बनाता है। सबसे बड़े पेड़ एक तरह के कैनोपी बनाते हैं, मीडियम साइड का ट्री एक कैनोपी बनाता है, सर्ब जो है वो अलग कैनोपी बनाता है, और क्रीपर एक पेड़ से दूसरे पेड़ के बीच जाल बना देता है, जिसके कारण इस जंगल से गुजरना बड़ी टेढ़ी खीर है। And due to it, there is no definite time for tree to set their leaves. So these forests appear green all the year around, not around, around. Here, around. Here, as we have discussed, throughout the year, the area is receiving high temperature as well as precipitation. आप उस क्षेत्र की बात करें तो दोपहर तक काफ़ी गर्मी पड़ती है और दोपहर के बाद बारिश होती है। Due to it, the presence of humidity as well as temperature is present throughout the year. Due to it, it has no time to set their leaves. इसलिए उसको पत्ता गिराने का मौका मिलता नहीं है। पत्ता गिराता है पानी की बचत के लिए, और पानी वहाँ पर्याप्त मात्रा में उपलब्ध है, इसलिए पत्ता वो गिराता नहीं है। यह इसकी विशेषता है, और सालों भर हरा भरा बना रहता है। इन दिस फॉरेस्ट ट्रीज ग्रोज वेरी vigorously because the essential condition availability of temperature and humidity are present. Due to it grows rapidly and reaching height of 60 meter and above. Just you have heard about the different type of trees that height is more than 60 meter. A lot, just like redwood, otherwise sequoia, 350 feet. Try to consider which type of height it has. So यहाँ पेड़ों का विकास बहुत तेजी से होता है, जिसके कारण 60 मीटर उससे भी लंबा लंबा पेड़ यहाँ देखा जाता है। In spite of it, such type of forest is giving hardwood trees. Just it is known as building trees, timber wood. यहाँ कड़ी लकड़ियाँ पाई जाती है, जो इमारती लकड़ी भी कहलाती है, और इसके कई प्रयोग हैं। Here the next is rainy part of Western Ghat, Assam, West Bengal, island groups of Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, coastal region of Tamil Nadu, upper part of Assam have such type of forest because such areas are receiving more than 200 cm per annum. Ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona, sesame, such type of important trees are present in it. Large number of species are found there. Due to the dense forest, different type of tree species are present. It creates difficulty in the commercial use of any particular variety. जैसा हमने बतलाया कि क्रीपर्स एक पेड़ से दूसरे पेड़ के बीच जाल बुन देता है और आसानी से इसे पार करना मुश्किल है। यही कारण है कि कॉमर्शियल यूज इसका जल्दी नहीं हो पाता है। आपने अमेजन रिवर का नाम सुना होगा। अमेजन रिवर के दोनों तरफ ब्राज़ील में रेन फॉरेस्ट है, जो काफ़ी विशाल है। जब तक रोड नहीं बनता है तब तक इसका दोहन संभव नहीं है, क्योंकि बड़े व्हीकल को जाने के लिए रास्ता चाहिए, और इस जंगल में रास्ता बनाना बड़ा टेढ़ी खीर है। It supports a variety of animal species, and due to it, different type of animals are present, like as elephant, gaur, monkeys, deer, rhinoceros, sloth, scorpion, snails, crocodile, and different type of snake are present there. But one most important thing, the fierce animals are not present in such forest, like a lion, tiger, leopard, panther are not present in this forest. But instead of such fierce animal, crocodile as well as boa, python, आर प्रेजेंट हेयर। यहाँ एक तरफ अगर बाघ शेर नहीं पाए जाते हैं तो क्रोकोडाइल और अजगर पाया जाता है। वैसे फायर्स एनिमल खुले वातावरण में रहने वाले हैं, लेकिन यहाँ तो 3 कैनोपी बना हुआ रहता है, ऊपर की हवा नीचे नहीं आती है। इट हैज़ मार्सी लैंड ऑल्सो that is so dangerous for human being as well as a lot animals। एक बार उसमें फंस गया तो निकलना बड़ा मुश्किल है। नेक्स्ट, in the next video, as we have said about your doubt, you can ask in comment box. Thanks.